Maryland's most accurate forecast.
Take a look at the air temperatures out there. They are on the hot side. Don't have to tell you that, but you can see we are still above 90. Easton, Baltimore, Frederick, steamy. Temperatures too with the high humidity. Real feels higher than these numbers. In fact, we're at 90 or so around the city, but the humidity level at 70 and higher, that means the real feel numbers mid-90s in many spots, and they only drop to the mid-80s as we go later into the evening here. By the time we get into the latter part of the day tomorrow, heat index values upper 90s, steaming out there. Across the state, a few clouds. You like that? Woo. Steaming, burning. And look, the sun continues to cascade down upon us as we go into the day tomorrow, so more heat and more humidity. But frontal boundary approaches and begins to break the heat by late day Wednesday. With that, the chance for some showers and storms. Havre de Grace today, hot on the Susquehanna River. Ric Flair used to do that. Woo, to be the man. But anyway, yeah, hot, sunny, humid conditions. That's our story statewide. Annapolis hot on the Severn today. Sailboats out. Hey, get out on the water if you can. That is definitely the story. Statistics today, 94 BWI, 12 above average. Just 2 off the old all-time record from 1986, which Jamie says was a great year. I think you saw Huey Lewis had live that year, didn't you?
Huey Lewis was, it was his first hit.
He was the man, the news. 91 degrees, and we are going to stay in the 90s the rest of this evening for at least another hour or two, then 80s, then finally 70s overnight. But it's a sultry start tomorrow and a day where temps surge into the early part of the day tomorrow. On the bay, that's the place to be tomorrow. But even out on the water, air temps will be pushing 90 as we continue to see this very hot, humid pattern up and down the eastern seaboard. Bermuda high pressure parked offshore. This is without a doubt a very midsummer-like pattern, but we're getting it here in what is technically the last days of spring. But it is a little bit of an early pattern, something we might look for in mid-July. We're getting it now here in mid-June. So that is the story. Going to stay hot around here as a result. You see the hot numbers across most of the eastern and southeastern U.S. Those numbers running all the way up into Boston and Burlington, Vermont today, 90 plus. That really unusual for them this early. 70 tonight, staying sultry, low 90s tomorrow. Hot, hazy, and humid again. Triple H day. Look at the rest of the outlook here. Upper 80s Wednesday, then we'll begin to break it down a little bit and more normal temperatures by the end of the week. But heat looks to surge back potentially by the second part of the weekend.
The surge is back, baby.
Yeah.
All right.